Alright guys, this is the map test number 5 study guide. I am first going to outline the new states that we are going to cover in blue. It's got a little messy there. Okay, so we're first going to start right here, closest to Tennessee. The state above Tennessee is Kentucky. The abbreviation is KY, and the capital is Frankfurt. My pen's being weird. Let me try to make it a little smaller here. Alright. The next state here is Ohio. My pen's a little delayed. Sorry about that. The abbreviation is OH, and the capital is Columbus. Columbus is the capital. Alright, the next state is Indiana. I'm going to write sideways on this one to try to make it fit. The capital of Indiana is Indianapolis. Our next state is Illinois. Our abbreviation is IL. And the capital of Illinois is surprisingly not Chicago. It is Springfield. Springfield. Okay. Our next state here is Missouri. Abbreviation is MI. And the capital is Jefferson City. Our next state here is Kansas. Capital is Topeka. Our next state is Nebraska. The capital of Nebraska is Lincoln. Our next state is Iowa. This is our last state, I believe. Yes. The capital of Iowa is Des Moines. Alright, so map test number 4 was 25 states. The new ones were the orange ones down here. The orange ones down here were your new states last week. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new ones in blue for map test number 5. Map test number 5 will be on 2/19. Map test number 5. If you have any questions, as always, please message me on Canvas.